Excel has been the default tool for nonprofits for many years, but as organizations grow, spreadsheets become a bottleneck. In this video, we explore the hidden costs of managing donors in Excel and explain why modern donation software powered by platforms like Zoho and ZenDonor is essential for scalable, transparent, and donor-friendly fundraising. If your nonprofit still relies on spreadsheets, this is a must-watch. For many nonprofits, Excel has been the go-to tool for managing donors and donations. It's familiar, inexpensive, and easy to start with. But as organizations grow, Excel quietly becomes a bottleneck. The real cost of Excel is in the software. It's the time, errors, and inefficiencies hidden behind daily operations. What starts simple slowly turns into a risk. Spreadsheets weren't designed for donor relationships. Error creeps in, duplicate records appear, reports take hours, and leadership loses real time visibility. Excel can't automate donor journeys. That means delayed acknowledgements, missed follow ups, and lower donor retention without nonprofits even realizing it. Modern donation softwares replaces spreadsheets with structure and automation. Platforms built on Zoho brings donors, donations, communication, and finance into one connected system. Nonprofits using donation systems launch campaigns faster, engage donors better, and make decisions based on real data, not guesswork. Excel may feel familiar, but it limits efficiency, accuracy, and growth. With solutions like ZenDonor powered by Zentegra, nonprofits can focus less on spreadsheets and more on impact.